Good morning. Now I would like to talk about the sustainable concept selection and product development. My name is Tunesh Pillai, son of Magadivan. My program name is Bachelor of Manufacturing Management. So this is the content I would like to present today. First is introduction. Sustainable concept selection refer to the choosing product idea that balance environmental, social, and economic factor to ensure long-term viability. Role in business growth, drive innovation, enhance brand reputation, ensure regulator compliance, and meet consumer demand for eco-friendly product. Second, concept evolution and feasibility. PUC metric is a decision-making tool that compare multiple concepts against a baseline that reference concept using a simple ranking system. The steps involved are identify and list evolution criteria, select a baseline concept, often the current best unknown option. Compare each alternative concept against the baseline, assigning score. First, positive is if better than the baseline. Second, 0 is equal to the baseline. Third is negative if worse than the baseline. Sum the score for the each concept, and the concept with the highest score will be the most favorable. Second, the weight decision metric expand on PUC metric by assigning relative importance to each evolution criteria. The steps are define evolution criteria relevant to sustainability. For example, environmental impact, cost efficiency, resource availability. Assign a weight, for example, percentage or scale to each criteria based on its importance. Score each concept against all criteria using a consist scale, for example 1 to 10. Multiply each score by its corresponding weight. Sum the weight score for each concept. The concept with the highest total score is the best choice. Design and prototyping. Material selection and environmental impact must align with circular economy principle, reducing waste and energy consumption during production. The selection of low carbon footprint material can contribute to corporate sustainability goals and compliance with a regulation. Manufacturing efficiency and cost consideration. Some sustainable material may have a higher initial cost but offer saving through durability and reduce waste. Additive manufacturing like 3D printing is often preferred in prototyping sustainable product, minimize material waste compared to traditional subtractive method. Third is prototyping process optimization. Digital simulation like CAD, finite element analysis help to refine the design without excessive physical prototyping and reduce material used. And second thing is modular design approach allow for easy upgrade and assembly support, reuse and recycle. Fourth is regulator compliance and risk management. Companies adopting sustainable design must ensure compliance with international and local environmental regulations. For example, ISO 14001 for environmental management. Yearly integration of sustainable principle reduce the risk of non-compliance, avoiding potential legal penalties or market rejection. Fifth is consumer perception and market competitiveness, strengthens brand image and align with customer preference for environmentally responsible products. During prototyping, integrating user feedback on sustainability aspect can enhance the final product of appeal. Six is scalability and further innovation. Ensure that the prototype can scale efficiently to full production. Yearly consideration of sustainable principle prevent costly design modification later in the product life cycle. Adoption of cycle assessment tool during the design phase ensure continuous improvement for further product testing and validation. First is alignment with sustainable goal. If a concept is selected based on sustainability criteria, for example, material efficiency, recyclable, energy consumption, the testing phase must be validated. Second, material testing and life cycle assessment. Sustainable concept often introduce eco-friendly material require testing for durability, biodegradability, and reusability. Third is performance and safety compliance. Sustainable material might impact strength, durability, or usability. Manufacturing and process validation. Prototyping and pilot production help refine sustainable manufacturing approach before full-scale production. Consumer and market testing. Sustainability claims, for example, 100% biodegradable packing must be tested in real world conditions to ensure they meeting consumer expectation and do not degrade prematurely. Focus group and product trial accesses customer acceptance of sustainability driven feature. Market introduction and growth. First, market differentiation and competitive advantage. A sustainable product concept help companies differentiate themselves in a crowded market. Second, consumer demand on brand reputation. The modern consumer based value environmental and social responsibility. Third is regulatory compliance and risk mitigation. Government worldwide impose stringent environmental regulation include carbon footprint reduction and waste management flow. Fourth is cost efficiency and resource optimization. Sustainable concept often incorporated energy efficient material, renewable resource of waste reduction strategies. Fifth is investment and funding opportunity. Investor and financial institution increasingly support business with strong sustainability commitment, long-term market viability and adaptability. Sustainable concept contribution to further proving a product by aligning with long-term industry trend. A sustainability become a standard expectation rather than the differentiated challenge in sustainable concept selection. First is cost and investment. Higher upfront research and development and production costs for sustainable material. need for specialized manufacturing process and certification, balancing sustainability with cost effectiveness for market viability. Second is technical feasibility, limited availability of eco-friendly raw material, compatibility of sustainable material with existing production method, challenging in achieving durability and performance with eco-friendly alternative. Third is regulatory compliance, adapting to evolving sustainability regulation and environmental policies, meeting international standards like ISO 14001, LEED, or etc., navigating country-specific law on waste reduction and carbon footprint. For conclusion, sustainable conception selection play a pivotal role in shaping in generic product development process, influencing each stage from initial evolution to market introduction and growth. By integrating sustainability consideration at the concept evolution and feasibility stage, companies can make informed decision using tools like PUC metric and weight decision metric. These methods help access sustainability criteria such as environmental impact and regulatory compliance. Product must undergo durability and energy efficiency tests to ensure they align with sustainability goal. Companies that integrate sustainability from the beginning find it easier to meet industry standard, reduce waste, and minimize carbon footprints, ultimately leading to more streamlined approval process. As a product moves toward market introduction and growth, the benefit of sustainable concept selection become increasingly evident. Consumers are more for eco-friendly product. Companies are adopt sustainable practice, gain a competitive edge, enhance brand reputation, and attract environmentally conscious investor. Additionally, sustainability focused business often receive government incentive and certification further solidify their position. In conclusion, sustainable concept selection is deeply interwoven with product development process, influencing design choices and production feasibility, compliance, and market success. While there are challenges such as a higher initial cost and technical feasibility concern, the long-term benefits and including regulatory head headrents, reduce environmental impact. By sustainability in concept selection, companies can drive innovation, enhance profit, and contribute a greener future. Thank you.